Good things come to those who believed. Better things come to those who have patience. And best things come to those who never give up.
All we need is courage to continue and inspiration to move forward.
I'd like to welcome everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for attending our first graduation ceremony. Our special guest, thank you very much for being with us. Our guest, special guest, thank you very much for here. Our graduation team, I would like to appreciate your effort. I would like to appreciate what's all the hard time you have facing and until you reach to the point. Wish you all the best, and we wish this ceremony will be nice, and wish you all the best for the next chapter in your life.
It is with great honor that I speak with you today, celebrating the first ever graduation of the first batch of the Filipino Nightingale International Class 2023. I know that you are honored today and proud of yourself. Because why? This is the profession in which it doesn't care about anything, nor even the monetary, but cares solely, wholly for the benefit and gain of the people who are sick and unwell. As I said again, nursing is a noble profession which requires a strong commitment, great deal of tolerance, and deep sense of emulation for humanity.
As you are ready to fly and aim higher, the theme says, together we stand to be a part of a selfless, caring environment leaping toward a promising future. Let all your learnings through FNI, the knowledge, the skills, and the values of a genuine healthcare provider be your guide wherever you might be. The world is vast. It's a very big, where opportunities are limitless. Stand proud and say, ako'y alagang FNI, pusong FNI, at tatak FNI.
You don't need to compete with anyone else but yourself. Just start from trying to be better than who you were in what you did yesterday. Hindi mo kailangang ipakita sa kanila na nanghihina ka. Bakos ipakita mo ang certificate mong nakuha ngayon. Iwagayway mo. Ipakita sa kanila ng taos-pusong pasasalamat sa FNI. Dahil sa kanila nakapagtapos tayo.
And now, FNI Batch Class of 2023, our time has come. It's our time to shine. As we come to an end of our sacrifices and efforts every Friday, the fruit of our labor has yielded already. This is not the end, but rather the beginning of a beautiful journey in our life. The milestone is just a stepping stone for more success to come. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay focused and you can achieve anything. Success is a journey, not a destination. Don't cry because it is over. Smile because it happened. If you can imagine it, you can achieve it. Nothing is impossible when you believe. Always keep that light burning within you. Together we stand to be a part of a selfless, caring environment, leaping towards a promising future. Aim high, fly high, soar high, FNI. To God be always the glory. Thank you.
As you start your chapter today, please carry with the qualities of being strong, caring, and committed to doing your best. What you've learned at our school is not just about books. It's about what makes someone a great healthcare worker. You, my dear graduates, are like guiding lights for the future of healthcare. Take the chance to control your own future and make a path to success. Use what you've learned here and the knowledge, experiences, and values. Let your dreams guide you, knowing that your impact goes beyond national boundaries, touching lives and helping people heal. Remember that success is something we achieve together. Now that you have learned so much, take on the responsibility that comes with it. Be leaders in healthcare, caring helpers, and good examples for others. In closing, I am very sure that the things you learn and the kindness, it will grow into something great. The road ahead might have challenges, but with what you learn at FNI, you can overcome anything. Congratulations to all graduates. Go out into the world and share your caring and knowledge. The future of healthcare is better because of each and every one of you. Thank you so much.
The keyword is lahat dream big. Maraming salamat po.